Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable reminders and notifications on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to our Airbnb app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then you're going to scroll downwards and click on account settings. Then again you're going to click on notifications. So under account section you're going to scroll downwards and click on the reminders option. Then as you can see they're turned off, so we're going to turn them on. So now you're going to receive important reminders on the Airbnb account. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.